My booty keeps steaming. Stop. My booty keeps steaming.
Okay. That's enough booty word. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
What y'all doing today?
We are making brownies.
All right, let's get started.
Okay. What's first?
So, Denila got the oven on. So, what's next, Denila? Read the next part. Okay, so open the box. Yep. You gotta open the box.
Go put the box.
Use your muscle, girl. Don't be scared. Rip that thing. There you go.
Rip like you don't want the toy no more.
You can get the scissors if you want. So it's easy to open.
It looks kind of soft.
Like, it's weird.
Soft at first. But
Mama,
it's
can I
soft.
pour it?
It looked like it was made out of
Mama,
brick
can I
at
pour
first.
it?
Yes, everybody's gonna do something, okay?
Yeah, you are.
Just turn it on low, okay?
Okay, I can reach.
Can't freak the oil and eggs.
Get the spoon. The spoon. Yep, fill it up and put it in there 2 more times. Make sure you fill it up. Hold on. Okay, yeah, there you go. There you go. Alright, that's good. Put the spoon in the bowl. We're gonna put it back over here. Alright, get the box. You gotta see what's next.
We gotta put in
We gotta
some
mix
oil.
it.
How much?
We didn't get to mix it.
A half.
Yep. Half cup of oil. Alright, LJ. Get the oil. Y'all learning some math too.
I don't know.
Alright.
I'm very good at that. Oh my god. Fresh.
Come on, boy. Use the muscles.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, man.
You football.
Alright. Alright, now you see this right here? That says, what that say?
4 and a half.
1 cup.
Oh, 1 cup.
But we only doing half. So
So,
right here, look, you gotta look so you know where to
2.
stop. Where it say 1/2, that mean half. Alright, get it, both hands. Go ahead. Keep pouring. A little more. A little more. Keep going. That's good. Good job. Alright,
now I got to pour it.
pour it in the bowl. Pour it all in the bowl.
Now
All right, now we need, what's next? We got the water and the oil. What's next?
Eggs.
And eggs. So
2
we need
eggs.
2
Don't
eggs.
crack it. Stop.
Hold on.
I cracked one
Let-
before.
Okay, let LJ do one.
Then now you can do the next one. Callie, move. No, I'm going to do the next one.
Okay, Callie, you can stir it.
Okay.
Here, do it. Yeah. Do one more time.
I got it now.
We don't want no shells in there.
There.
Is that shell?
Okay, just put it in the cup.
Is that
All
shell?
right, go rinse your hands out. Go ahead.
I did
Denila.
one.
Look at it.
Let Denila do it. You can mix it. That's good. And you gotta pull it apart where the crack is. All right, put in the cup. Go rinse your hands. All right, Callie.
I didn't give it to you.
Put the,
What's in my hand?
stir it around.
I didn't either.
You gotta stir it good till it's blend. All right, LJ, put the, or Denila, I don't know if LJ can reach. Put the eggs back in the refrigerator.
Okay, I can reach.
All right, I don't want you
No,
dropping it.
mix.
Make sure.
Callie, mix.
Mix it up. It'll mix. Just gotta mix it up. Keep the spoon in there.
Can you move, please?
Keep the spoon in there. Just keep mixing. Don't worry about it being stuck.
Ooh, look, it turned out from my truck.
All right, we got one more thing to do before we put it in the oven. What you have to do to
You
here?
gotta get it off.
What's
No,
next?
not that.
No,
You have to
she don't have to
mix.
get it off. Just mix.
Bake.
She don't need to do all that, LJ. Just
bake.
let her mix it. No, you have to do one more thing with the pan before you bake it.
Ooh, my arms are not tired.
Let her mix a little bit. Then you can go next.
Bread in pan.
Nope.
Oh, we have to spray the pan.
There you go. You gotta spray the pan so it don't stick. Just spray the bottom. Make sure it's pointed down. Move it around. Move it around. There you go. That's good. That's good. That's good. You don't want too much.
Mommy, I will do it with my finger.
No, that's okay. Let's go back.
Why are you doing that?
Can I stuff off the
You're
corner?
But
we can have more brownies.
That's all right. Mix it up. We'll worry about the sides. You gotta mix it up good first.
It's not looking good. I don't want to eat it right now.
No, you don't. Because guess what's in there?
rotten eggs.
Raw eggs. You don't want to eat that. Get sick.
Here's taste.
Get the white stuff out of
That's the
there.
same thing as eating raw
LJ,
eggs.
put the white stuff anywhere.
No, it's okay. It's just the egg.
Oh.
So that's why you got to mix it up good.
It is not come on. I don't listen to it.
You can do it faster.
All right, let the nozzle get a turn.
Right. It's not about doing it fast. But you can't drop the bowl. But she cannot. You're doing it too fast. It's not going to help nothing. Mommy doing fast. She don't drop the bowl. Because she is a grown up. And she's pro. Right. She's a pro. We're not pro yet. We still the Lala is too. No, she's not. She's still got to be 19.
Oh my God, what's wrong with
She
y'all?
got to be 18 when she a pro.
Stop, Callie. You won't get that in the
18
brownies.
is real pro.
Leave it there for now. I don't know where you got that lint from.
Cats. Food coloring.
What else should we put in the brownies to make them tasty? What you think? What should we put in there?
Sugar. Spice.
Sugar.
Let's put in
What you think we should put in there to make it
Chocolate.
tasty?
Chocolate.
Callie, what you think we should put in there?
Get chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Yes!
We
Exactly.
both got it.
No, Bob and Brooklyn
Popcorn?
that said it.
Okay, you gotta get down
That's
first.
copied out from me.
No.
Go ahead.
OJ said it.
Come on this side.
That I said.
Not too many, okay? Pour slow, because it'll come out fast. You can do some more. There you go. Okay. I'm saying not too many. All right, mix it up.
Oh, that is a little too many.
All right, fold the bag down. Put it back. Okay, thank you.
I would be good. Chocolate chips, yummy. Who say chocolate chips? Look, it's chocolate chips.
Look at that. Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the
Yep. Scrape it all out.
Callie, hold the pan.
I knew you.
She
You were
is.
gonna say that.
She is. Scrape it all out.
Get it. Rip it out.
Guys, this looks
All right.
super good.
Now we're ready to put in the oven.
Yeah, guys, and we will see y'all when we get done, okay?
All right.
All right. He's
Where your brother and sister at?
in the room. He said I don't want to check on them.
Oh, he don't want to check out the brownies?
Mm-mm.
So he don't get to eat no brownies then?
Mm-mm.
We just go eat all the brownies for ourselves. What you think?
Yes.
All right, let's see. I don't know. I gotta put a fork in there. Scoot back. It's hot.
It feels good though.
Yeah.
You weigh it.
Feel good, but you can't touch it.
It gives you a massage too.
A massage.
Yeah.
Let's,
See?
let's see.
I'm just still chocolate stuff.
Oh, I think it's done. It came out clean. You see that? I mean, it's done. All right.
It smells really super good.
Yeah.
Now let's let it cool down.
Yep. Gotta let it cool down.
And then we go eat it and see how it tastes, guys.